Hello, Jim's Pizza. Can I help you?
Yes, I want one Hawaiian pizza.
What size do you want?
A small one, please.
And what kind of crust?
Classic crust, please.
Anything else?
Yes. 2 Cokes and 2 breadsticks, please.
Okay, so that's one small Hawaiian pizza. 2 Cokes and 2 breadsticks.
Yes, that's right.
Your total is $29. And it will be ready in 20 minutes.
Thank you. Goodbye. The weather is so nice today.
Yes, it is. I really like this weather.
Me too. Let's go outside.
Good idea. What should we do?
What about a picnic in the park?
A picnic? Yes, I love picnics. That's a great idea.
Okay, we can bring some food. Maybe sandwiches and apples?
Sounds good. I will bring a blanket and some water.
Great! I will bring cookies and juice, too.
Perfect. So we go to the big park near the lake?
Yes, I like that park. It's very beautiful.
Okay, it's a plan. Let's go now.
I'm excited. This will be fun. Hi, it's me. Hey there, what's going on? I'm totally stuck in traffic. That's super annoying. Many cars. We are not moving. That is not good. I am sorry, I will be late. It's okay, no problem. I left my house early. I understand. Traffic is a big problem. Thank you. It is not your fault. I will come when I can. Yes, of course. Please be safe. I will. Don't worry, we can wait for you. Are you sure? Yes, it is okay. Thank you. You are a good friend. Drive slow, be careful. All right, catch you soon. See you soon.
Hey, Dean, how is your project?
It's not good. It is very difficult.
Oh no, you look tired. Are you okay?
I'm very stressed.
I can make you some tea or coffee. Would you like some?
No, thank you.
Are you sure? A cup of tea can help you relax.
Okay then. Yes, a cup of tea sounds nice.
Great. Peppermint tea or black tea?
Black tea, please.
With milk or sugar?
Just a little sugar, please.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Thank you. You're very kind.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hello. I need laundry service, please.
Of course. Someone will come to your room soon.
Thank you. I also have a silk dress. I am worried the color is not strong.
Don't worry, we will dry clean the dress. The color will be safe.
Oh, good. Thank you. When can I get my clothes back?
It usually takes 2 days.
Rob, I don't want to cook or clean. Can we eat out?
Oh, honey, we need to save money now. But we can go to Taco Bell next week, okay?
Taco Bell? Really? You know, Samantha's husband took her to a very expensive restaurant yesterday. And they are going to Italy for their anniversary.
Rachel, you're always comparing us to Samantha. Please stop.
And what about you? You forgot my birthday last year.
Oh, come on. That was a year ago. Let's not talk about it.